Good day. I am your solid geometry teacher for today. Let's everybody get your book and turn it to page 59. Our topic for today is getting the volume of a triangular prism. First of all, does anyone have an idea what is a prism?
No.
There's a definition of a prism here in page 58, so let's all read together. Prism, a polyhedron bounded by a prismatic surface and two parallel planes, section cutting all its elements is called a prism. In short, prism has two congruent faces. So I have an example here. Is this a prism for you?
No, I don't know.
This is a prism because it has two congruent faces. This face here is also congruent here. That's why this is called a prism. So next, I have another prism here. Figure. Is this a prism?
I don't know.
Still, this is a prism because it has two congruent faces. Then next, does anyone know what is a volume?
No.
Volume is the number of cubes inside a figure. So example, to get the volume of this triangle prism is to get how many cubes inside of this prism. So the formula in getting a volume of a triangular prism is this is how you get the volume of a triangular prism.
We have
1/2 length times the base, height, and its length. Good day, students. Our discussion for today is about volume. So when we're talking about volume, it tells about how many cubes are there in a figure. So since our topic is how to get the volume of a triangular prism, and teacher Kirk Silica Bacas told us already about what is prism. So as a continuation, as I said earlier, volume tells about how many cubes are there in a figure. The volume of any prism is the area of the base times, or the product of the base, or the product of the area of the base, and the distance between the two bases. So in a triangular prism, we have our formula here, which is volume is equal to 1/2 base times height times length. We put 1/2 here, it's because triangular prism is 1/2 of our rectangular prism. If this rectangular prism here, we're going to divide it by 2. That's why we got a triangular prism. And then the V here, this V here represents the area of the base. And this H here, this one represent the height of the triangle, and the length represent the length of the whole prism. So the length represent in this case we simply the base is a triangle. So we simply compute the area of the triangle and then multiply it to the length of the prism. So that's how can we get the volume. We have example here on how to get the volume of a triangular prism. So first, we are going to solve or to compute of what is the area of the base. This one here. We are going to solve what is that area. So given that the base of a triangle is 6 and the height of the triangle is 4 and the length of the prism is 8. So to compute the base, we are going the area of the base or the area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. So the base here is 6 and the height of the triangle is 4. So it's gonna become so the area of the base is 12. So after getting the area of the base, we're now going to solve the volume of a prism. So we already know the area of the base. We already know the area of this. So we are going to multiply the length to get the volume of the length to get the volume of a triangular prism. So the area of this, 1/2 base times height is 12, and then the length is 8. So we are going to multiply that so we can get the volume is 96. So this 96 here represent on how many cubes are there in the triangular prism.